us a mirror reflecting the vibrant tapestry of our lives.
And now, the Department of Home Science is about to unleash a dazzling explosion of creativity and style on this stage.
Prepare to be mesmerized by our incredible fashion icons as they ignite the runway with an unforgettable show.
Let the fashion fiesta begin.
Sarega pa dha pa ga pa dha pa ga pa ga re sarega re sa pa ga re sa pa ga re dha pa ga sa dha pa ga re sa dha
Fashion show. The ageless beauty of Ravi Verma paintings to the fusion of women empowerment through Kerala Kasavu. Raja Ravi Verma's paintings of women are known for their timeless beauty and ability to capture the spirit of a romanticized past. Raja Ravi Verma, one of the greatest painters in Indian history, transcended boundaries between the real, ideal, and imaginary, particularly when depicting women. Being the first to portray the sensuality and modesty of Indian women through Indian sensibilities and European technique, he was perhaps the biggest influencer of his time. Ravi Verma had a knack for portraying female characters that went against the cultural rules, style, and societal expectations. As a result, he managed to let an Indian beauty emerge that transcended regional parameters. No wonder his artworks and female characters embodied the essence of classic and contemporary. Today, the Department of Home Science at Government College for Women proudly presents and recreates 8 famous paintings of Raja Ravi Verma. 1. Maharani Chimna Bai II. Maharani Chimna Bai II was a queen and the second wife of Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad of the princely state of Baroda, Gujarat, British India. A progressive woman, she worked toward education for girls, abolishing the Parda system and child marriage, and became the first president of the All India Women's Conference and National Council of Women in India. She is the author of the treatise, The Position of Women in Indian Life. We have the fearless and fascinating Maharani Chimna Bai II recreated by Dr. Shifa Juberihan, the bold and beautiful Maharani of Baroda, Chimna Bai II. Parsi Lady. The painting is a rare example of Ravi Verma's work featuring a Parsi subject, making it a significant contribution to the representation of Indian cultural diversity in art. Ravi Verma's Parsi Lady is a masterpiece that continues to inspire and fascinate art lovers to this day. Her timeless beauty and elegance serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving and celebrating our cultural diversity. Recreating here the elegance of the Parsi Lady by Mrs. Fairuza. Expectation. Ravi Verma is known for his versatility in blending Indian and European art styles. Women in Expectation is not only a masterpiece of Indian art, but also a testament to Ravi Verma's innovative spirit and his ability to capture the essence of human experience. The central idea behind this painting is the portrayal of everyday life, emotions, and relationships, which was a radical shift in Indian art at the time. Woman in Expectation depicts a woman awaiting the arrival of her beloved one. Unveiling the Women in Expectation before you, Dr. Sitara Balan. Maharashtrian Lady After Temple Visit. Ravi Verma's portrait of a Maharashtrian lady after a temple visit is a timeless masterpiece that invites us to pause, reflect, and appreciate the beauty of Indian culture. This painting blends the Indian culture and spirituality. The lady's serene demeanor and traditional attire serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving and celebrating our cultural heritage. The Maharashtrian lady, adorned in traditional attire, exudes a sense of peace and tranquility, as if lost in thought after a visit to the temple. Spotlighting before you the Maharashtrian lady after temple visit is Srimati Shaina PK. Damayanti. Inspired by the ancient Indian epic, the Mahabharata, Ravi Verma's Damayanti is a masterpiece that showcases his artistic skill and attention to detail. The painting depicts Damayanti, the beautiful queen of King Nala, lost in thought as she ponders her fate. Damayanti's story has been a source of inspiration for many artists, including Ravi Verma, who was fascinated by her courage and devotion. Recreating Damayanti before you is Dr. Garima Gupta. Radha in Moonlight. Radha, the divine lover of Krishna, is depicted lost in thought, bathed in the soft silvery glow of the moon. This mesmerizing painting, created in the late 19th century, showcases Ravi Verma's mastery in capturing the essence of Indian mythology and romance. She is also the symbol of unconditional love, which makes Krishna yearn for her. She represents the supremacy and unconditional love. Showcasing before you Radha in Moonlight by Dr. Meera D.K. Woman with a Fruit. The woman's serene demeanor and the fruit she holds serve as a reminder of the importance of appreciating life's simple joys. An expectant mother holding a fruit, symbolic of a new life, captures the essence of Indian women's daily life, hope, belief, and happiness within herself. Displaying before you The Woman with a Fruit by Dr. Jyoti Hariharan. Kerala Royal Lady. This stunning painting, created in the late 19th century, showcases Ravi Verma's mastery in capturing the essence of Kerala's royal heritage. The subject, a regal lady, is depicted in all her finery, adorned in intricate jewelry and ornate clothing, exuding an aura of elegance and poise. This masterpiece adds a sense of volume and texture, drawing the viewer's eye to the lady's dignified expression. Recreating the Kerala Royal Lady before you is Dr. Minnie Joseph.
प्रणवामृतवारी परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी अभयाम्बिका करुणाम्बुराशी धीम तारा धीम धीम तारा चडुलमाय गानमाय नडनमाय निरयणे नाम शरङ्गळिल ओदुम्मो प्राणङ्गळिन दिव्यपादांशु शरणं नी विमोहिनी भुवन पालिनी अनाथ रक्षकनी जनिकारकी त्रिपुर मनोहरिये നിരന്തരം വീഴുക വിസുപോലഗ്നിയിൽ ഏതോ പാദങ്ങളിൽ നിർമാല്യമായി വീണുമായുന്നിതോ മുഖമായി ദേഹമിതോ കോവിലു പോൽ പാവനമെന്നാൽ വാനരരോ തീരിയിടും തൂമലർമാല യുഗശതമായി തലമുറകൾ നീരുമിതാണയ്ക്കുമോ നീ വരദേ ധീം താന ധീം ധീം താന ചടുലമായി ഗാനമായി നടനമായി നിറയണേ നാമശതങ്ങളിൽ ഒതുങ്ങുമോ പ്രാണങ്ങൾ നിൻ ദിവ്യപാദാംശു ശരണം നീ ജനനി നാദവിമോഹിനി ഭുവന പാലിനി അനാഥ രക്ഷകനി ജനിकारकी त्रिपुर मनोहरिये
മണവാഴോ മണവാഴോ ദൈവത്താലേ ദൈവത്താലേ
ചെന്താമര പൂവിൻ ചന്തം കാണക്കുള്ള ചെന്തളിർ പൂമേനി വിനീതയോ ഇട്ടേറ്റു ചോരും ചോപ്പും ചോണയുമേ വെന്തു പോവാനിവൻ എന്തു ചെയ്തോ വണ്ടാർ മുടി ചോലേ അന്തിമയങ്ങുമ്പം അമ്പരമെഴുതീതു ചോന്നു പോയി ചന്ദ Dinta dinta